Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at how to log into Keepsales for the first time. Now we are going to be demonstrating this with the Sumundi Keepsales desktop app. Now one thing I would like us to note is that with the Sumundi Keepsales desktop app, when you are logging in, you always need to have the internet. Although the desktop app can be used offline, you need the internet to be able to you need the internet to be able to have access to your account details, and then you can use it offline. Okay, so let's have a look at how it is. So we open the desktop app and then we have to enter our username and our password. Like I said, you need the internet to be able to do this. So we enter our username and then the password. Then what happens is the app loads and then it opens for us. Now once it opens for us, then you can have access to your Keepsales account and then be able to sell either online or offline. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of such amazing videos which are available for you, so do well to check them all out. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a wonderful time and bye bye.